As you can tell, my hair is pretty, the ends are really damaged, and I need to get my hair done like real soon. You can see my grays. But I made an appointment to get it done. I usually section off my hair like half and half when I straighten my hair. So, and if you hear some like air noise in the back, it's like my purifier. It literally has a mind of its own. Literally, the fact that I'm straightening my hair and it's smelling all this like burnt hair, it's literally saying that the air is literally bad, which I probably do believe. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish off my hair, and yeah. So right now my skin is so bad, but I literally like washed all my brushes last night, but they're not fully dry, which kind of sucks. But it's 6:21 right now. I need to leave by like 7, so I don't know what kind of makeup I'm gonna do today. I don't know. Let's just do my makeup real quick and yeah, start my MUA day. But I think I want to do my soap brows today. So I'm going to use my CB brow soap. This one is very loved, as you can tell. It's like super crusty. But it has a lot, so it's on my Etsy shop if you guys want to purchase it. I absolutely love it. It's my favorite. Just trying to look for my setting spray. So my lip combo of the day, I'm using the Rimmel London Tiramisu. This is like an OG of mine. And then I'm using the Pop Beauty Permanent Pout and Butter Babe. It's like a liquid lipstick. They actually sent this to me with some other goodies. Super thankful for that, and I really like the color. It's really pretty. But yeah, this is my makeup. I actually went in already with Soft and Gentle as like my highlight, but I'm going to set my face now with some Fix Plus. 7 right now. I should be heading out like literally right now, but I am going to get ready now. I don't have like, I don't even know what to wear. Like, I'm just like freaking out right now. Like, I literally just don't know what to wear. And my closet is like hella dark because I don't have our light broke in here. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready, and I'm praying that I'll be able to get some Starbucks because I haven't even ate breakfast. And yeah. Good morning, it's 10:28. Thank you. Thank you. You too. So I got the almond milk shaken espresso. Sorry if it's a weird angle, but I got the almond milk shaken espresso. Really good. Definitely wakes me up. And then I just got like a breakfast Buddha sandwich, whatever. But no, y'all hear my tire screech? Okay, now I am on my way. That was so ratchet. Y'all hear my tire screech? Okay, so I'm gonna be on my way, and I'll see you guys later. Hi. Oh, how do I turn this off? I told you, but you know. So I am now literally like 3 minutes away from home. I just finished my freelancing, and that's all I have for today. I just had 3 clients: the bride, her sister-in-law, and her mother-in-law. The sister-in-law, I did her makeup. I've done her makeup previously, so like many times for other events, which I'm very grateful for. She's a loyal client, and their family is amazing. But yeah, that's all for my freelance day. I'm about to be home. Debating if I should record like me cleaning up my freelance kit and stuff. I won't have another freelance day until like when I go before I go to El Salvador, so that will be my last one. It will be on July 3rd actually. So yeah, so I'm literally just now getting home and I don't know what to do. I'm off for the rest of the day and off tomorrow. But yeah, I wish I would have like recorded everything, but my camera died, and plus I didn't really have a tripod for my iPhone, so hopefully you guys will be seeing more videos from me. I know I'm terrible, like I keep slacking, but yeah, that was my day as a makeup artist. My camera's about to die, but I literally want you guys to see how I carry my stuff. So I usually have this on my back, on my back. So I have this, my back. This is literally how I be walking up to people's houses. I was like, you know you're a makeup artist when you carry all this up. But yeah, just gonna put everything down now. Yeah, it's telling me it's gonna die, but let me stop this. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and let me know what else you guys want to watch. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next time.